I'm going to show you how this account got 1 million subscribers using this strategy. So one day I was just scrolling through Instagram Reels and this video caught my eye. It had this crazy number of likes and views. Like, wow. I couldn't help but wonder, what makes a video like this so engaging? That's when I realized there's an actual method behind creating this kind of content. This channel grew to over 1 million subscribers by simply downloading, editing, and re-uploading videos. Yeah, it's that simple, but there's a strategy behind it. Let's look at one of these shorts.
If a man grabs you in this way, do not try to bring his hands together or push him from here, nor hit him on his thigh. The correct method is to place your left hand on his face like this, put your right hand under his knee, and then drop him to the floor in this manner. Ladies, protect yourselves.
In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these trending videos from start to finish. Trust me, once you see how easy this is, you'll want to start right away. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn about branding, you can find the link in the description. Also, it would mean the world to me if you left a comment, even if it's just a heart emoji. Every little bit helps. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, head over to YouTube or even Instagram and start searching for popular videos in a specific niche. Let's use self-defense as an example because, honestly, it's super relatable and helpful. What you're looking for are videos with tons of views, likes, and comments. Basically, videos that are already popular. Once you've found a video that catches your attention, you'll need to download it. Copy the link and use one of the tools like Y2Mate or SnapSave to save the video. Boom, you've got your file. Open up your notepad and describe the video's key points, similar to this. If a man grabs you in this way, do not attempt to untie his hands or push him from here, nor hit him on his thigh. The right way is to put your left hand on his face, like this, place your right hand under his knee, and then drop him to the floor, like this. Ladies, protect yourself. Quick tip, make sure you have the rights to use the content or that it falls under fair use, especially if it's for educational purposes. Next, visit the site media.io. It's provided in the description. Note, this video is not sponsored. Once the site opens, scroll down and click on the option for cartoon video effects. Click anime and upload your video, then wait for the upload to complete. After that, click confirm to convert the video. Once the process is finished, download the video. Isn't it super cool? It gives your content a fresh creative vibe. This is just the first method. At the end of the video, I'll explain the next method, so watch the full tutorial to understand all the steps. Okay, now that you've got the video, step 3 is to write your script. Go on ChatGPT to help you write the script from earlier. This is the prompt. Can you please rewrite the script for a YouTube short? And then paste the key points you wrote out earlier after the prompt. Next, you'll want to add a voiceover. I recommend using 11 Labs. Just paste your script, choose a voice that feels right, and let the AI do the rest. Honestly, it's kind of crazy how natural the voice can sound.
Someone grabs you like this. Don't waste time trying to pull away or push them off. Instead, place your left hand on their face like this. Slide your right hand under their knee and take them down instantly. Stay safe and protect yourself.
Music is the secret sauce of any video. It sets the mood and keeps viewers engaged. Head over to Pixabay or Epidemic Sound and find a track that fits your vibe. Make sure to check the copyright before downloading. Oh, and don't forget the sound effects. Adding little things like camera clicks or whooshes during transitions makes a huge difference. For editing, I like to use CapCut because it's free and super user-friendly. Here's what you'll do. Mute the original audio if it's not useful. Add animations for extra flair, like those green screen right or wrong effects you can find on YouTube. Layer in your voiceover and don't forget to add captions. CapCut has this auto caption feature that's a lifesaver. You can even customize the fonts and colors to match your style. Alright, we're almost done. To really make your video pop, add a vignette or blur effect. It gives your video a polished, cinematic look. Double check the resolution in FPS to ensure it's top quality. After that, if you want to take it up a notch, try using LensGo AI for advanced effects. It's great for short clips, though the free plan has some limits. Now, let's talk about thumbnails because this is what gets people to click. Just pick a scene from the video and add bold text like "Don't do this" or "Top 5 self-defense moves." Trust me, a good thumbnail makes all the difference. You can also create an eye-catching design on Canva for free if you'd like. When uploading your video, make sure your title is super catchy. Something like 5 self-defense moves every woman should know. In your description, include a quick summary, timestamps, and relevant keywords. Add tags to your video with things like self-defense, safety tips, and viral shorts. Follow these steps and you'll have videos that are engaging, shareable, and honestly, just fun to make. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.